what I admire about MrBeast, all other controversial current events aside that may be happening in the news right now, all other things aside, that guy knows how to put together the best people. That guy knows how to unite the forces of the world. And that's something I admire is he's taken his platform, taken a lot of money from corporations, but then redirected it to other people for the sake of getting views. And I think that's like a noble thing that all the big celebrities should do, right? You have this ability to do good in the world because of your stature and redirecting it. So making the brand was another way to make a physical impact on the world.
Yeah, for sure. And I mean, like, let's also shout out not just MrBeast in it, but like when we launched, we were under 10 people. It was Jan Murray, it was Tom Melcher, our COO, Josie Newell. She ran like supply chain, like analyst stuff, but like really like a lot of like bones behind supply. Myself, we had one community manager, Katie, and then we also had head of marketing, which was Ben Acott, my homie for life. And we had my girl Danny, she was in CX with me, and it was just literally only a few of and Marina, sorry,
shout outs to Marina.
She was also running like brand strategy, and like literally the day we launched, we were in the WeWork on North Green Street, not even in Chicago, in like on a Saturday, and we're like, don't even know what we got, like what we're doing, right? And like we're launching in the middle of a WeWork, nobody's there, and it just blew up like overnight. And like, and I think it's really important for sure of like taking the MrBeast perspective of it, but the people who built Feastables are very industry veterans.
No, that's what I'm saying. Like, he brought together the team of already winners. You don't, once again, it's not like just because it was MrBeast, he was like, I need the best source. I need the best inventory. I need the best marketing. Like that's what I'm saying is I admire that the most is people that don't just say, let me slap together some garbage. Like he put together a great team. And in contrast to some of the other MrBeast named ventures, Feastables is a 100% success, unlike MrBeast Burger, which was an abject failure, but still made publicity. This was like a product that is well respected. People have said it's delicious chocolate, etc. Like it's sold in stores. You know, it's a very successful brand. So I would say that's definitely a product of the hard work of the team that built it.